The topic for this video is how to create a new forecast. It could also be called a new plan or scenario, but for this video we are going to call it a new forecast. In this view we can see two tables. These tables show the original data for the base and the budget. On the left side is the base, the data from the actuals of the year 2019, and the right side shows the budget. Underneath them is the currently selected plan. While creating a new forecast, there will be a preview of the forecast. The pop-up window for creating a new rolling forecast has two sides. The left side shows the base and the right side the budget. The base will not be editable after creating the new forecast. Only the budget side will be editable. The periods can be individually set. However, periods between base and budget cannot overlap. For example, if the base period is set from January to August, the budget period automatically starts with the month September. Every site needs foundation values from an already existing budget. That is set by entering the budget name and year. Each site can be based on different budgets. The factor regulates how much of the foundation budget enters the new budget. If we enter 100%, all the values will be taken one-to-one. Is the factor set to 50%, every value is halved. The budget side has an additional fixed budget checkbox. If it's not checked, the values from the budget side are completely transferred from the foundation budget to the new forecast. The numbers are identical for the base. On the side of the budget, the numbers are also identical, except from the total sum at the end. Because of the two different foundation budgets with the fixed values for each month, the final sum is changed. If, for example, the company has only a fixed budget they can work with and does not want a change in the final sum, then the fixed budget checkbox should be checked. In this view, there's an additional table that shows the revenue of the original budget from the year 2020. Now the final sum equals the final sum of the foundation budget. In order to have the same sum, the values for each month on the budget side are adjusted in relation to their original value. The values of the budget table are not the same as the one in the new forecast. If everything is correct, the new forecast can be saved by clicking on the Save Data symbol, otherwise the changes will be lost.